Hi, welcome. I am Pradeep Agarwal from Institute of Mind Control and Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. And I have conducted my live training programs all over the world in last 41 years. And more than 400,000 people attended my live training programs and become successful in their life. I work with the top level executives in the multinational companies. I work with the top level sportsmen in India and Asia and all over and help them to become successful in their life and the sports, whatever they were doing. I work with thousands of people in my one-on-one therapy sessions in my private practice and help them to come out of their problem. I have created a lot of videos and audios available on my website. Now my friend, this is a very unique course, rapidly developing your telepathic ability. This is a workshop on psychic power and developing your telepathic ability. Now my friend, what is telepathy? Telepathy is basically a mind-to-mind communication. That means you are not talking verbally, but you are communicating on a subjective level. Now let me ask you one question. With how many times this happened to you? You suddenly started thinking about one of your friends and you get a call from him, or you are thinking about somebody and while going to the office and work, you suddenly see that person on the road. Something, you are communicating, or when you are meeting, when you are talking to your friends and thing, you said something and the other person said, I was just thinking about the same thing. That happened to you? Happened with me many number of times, my friend. This is called telepathy. Telepathy is a very powerful tool to develop your mind powers, your psychic powers. So my friend, in this course, you are going to learn how to develop your telepathy skills using self-hypnosis, and I will be giving you a lot of exercises. So my friend, if your goal is to develop more of your psychic power, your mind power and telepathy, this is the course for you. In this course, my friend, you are going to learn what telepathy is, and then you will learn self-hypnosis, where self-hypnosis is a powerful tool to reprogram your subconscious mind. And when you are in self-hypnosis and when you are in a relaxed state of mind, you can communicate better telepathically with others. So you are going to learn self-hypnosis, you learn instant self-hypnosis, and then I'll guide you into few simple but powerful telepathic exercises that will help you to develop your psychic abilities, your telepathic abilities quickly and easily. By practicing those exercises regularly, each day you will become more and more telepathic. You will be able to communicate with others or receive communication with others easily. Telepathy is a very powerful tool, my friend, and we are using it all the time. It is a part of our subconscious mind. Like you bought a computer which has a lot of features, but you don't know how to use it. So you don't know how to use telepathy, which you are already using it in the past. So by learning this, you can use it regularly and more often you get a very good result. So my friend, now the rule of this workshop is you require at separate times so nobody disturb you. Switch off your mobile, switch off your TV, and don't do it while driving a vehicle or operating a machine, because some of the exercises will require you to close your eyes. And now one more important thing, my friend, these things works better if you have a partner with you. So you can do these exercises. Some of the exercises which you have to do with a partner, he may be present with you or he may not be present with you, but you can communicate with him or her on the Skype or telephone. So you can work this exercise. So make sure you have a partner. Having a partner will help you a lot. Or some exercise you don't need a partner, you can do it of your own. So my friend, if your goal is to become more telepathic, this is the course for you. So get ready now and come back to the next lesson. Thank you very much.